Hi everybody, welcome back. I have got another little stash ad video for you guys, and thought I'd just really quickly just go through a couple things that have shown up in the mail. First one obviously is this, the Revell 78 Corvette Indy Pace car. I do like Corvettes. I like this body style. Unlike the, what is it, the 90s, where they kind of had that really flat end, that flat end nose that came down like this. And they made the car kind of like a, I don't know, almost like an arrow. I didn't like that style. I'm really partial to this body shape. I think that's just looks prettier to me and to my eye. I will not be doing it as the pace car. I'm going to come up with something else when I finally get around to building this kit. It's steel sealed, and I think I got this from Model Roundup. It's a nice quick service. It does have a pretty decent detailed engine and a nice underbody, nice detailing for the interior. We'll come up with something for different colors and things like that for the kit, but looking forward to building this one. We'll see how that gets on when we get there. So that's a really nice kit. If anybody has any thoughts or suggestions about if they've built this kit before, what they thought, that'd be greatly appreciated. And a couple of videos ago, I showed you I had gotten a resin car body from the local swap meet. For the life of me right now, I cannot think of the channel that I saw this on, and I apologize. But somebody out there was talking about the C1 models and their resin pieces for cars. So they're in England, and I ordered two because I have a 70 Chevelle kit. And then I also have a Pontiac Firebird that I can add this to. And this kit has, essentially, let's see if I can open this without destroying it too much. So it has a hood. And it also has fenders, front end. Let's see if I can get some of this stuff out. Yeah, some new style fenders. Yeah, some really nice detail on that. And looks like rocker panel maybe. Let's see what else we got in here. Another one. Set of headlights. I don't know if those are pieces or if they're just flash. Yeah, it looks like flash. Hold on a second. Yeah, looks like flash. Okay, so front end. Oops. Oops. Looks like some more details for side of the car. There's another one of these for, looks like the round headlights. Change that. Looks like bumper, maybe. And then I'm not entirely sure what this piece is going to be. I'll have to figure it out. And then there's this piece as well. Again, not sure where this is going to go, but we'll figure it out. So that's it. That's that for that box. that. And then there's the 70 Chevelle. I do have to say that they shipped actually very, very quickly. I was kind of surprised at how fast they showed up. This kit, it's got a different hood. And it's got some nice detail on that. Put that in the package. It's got an detailed interior. And then this one's actually got seats, detailed interior for the seats. Here are one of the seats. Looks really good. Sorry, folks. Let's see here. What we got here? Looks like maybe headrests. Yeah, I think these are headrests, possibly. And they go on like that. I don't know. I'll have to look again. Can't remember. Door panels. Another door panel. It's like a little bit of a scoop maybe, or maybe for underneath the front bumper. Not sure what this one's going to be. Maybe this would be molding for the bottom of the door, maybe. Front end. If it goes like that, maybe. The other seat. The rear. A nicely detailed steering wheel. Look at that. That looks really good. And then different dash. These might go onto the door panels, but I'm not sure. We'll have to figure that one out. Another piece, I'm not 100% sure what that one's for. You get quality stuff here, folks, let me tell you. You know, I know about as much about cars as no one else. I don't know anything about cars. I'm not even gonna lie. So I just like to build them. Anyway, so another piece, not 100% sure where that's gonna go yet. It looks like maybe where the exhaust maybe comes out of the bottom. Maybe for dual exhaust, not sure. We'll have to play, we'll see. Anyway, so a couple cool little resin pieces to add. So again, from C1 Models, they actually make some really nice things. This is for the 78 Firebird. So we'll be adding to that. I have one kit for that. And then, like I said, I have a 70 Chevelle kit that I'm going to put together. We'll see how well that goes together. There's here's the back, so you can see what that looks like. Looks like some of those pieces might be for the flares here, maybe. Let's see what this background here looks like. Yeah, so there's the back for that. We'll have to play. Yeah, we'll see what that looks like. So another real quick little stash ad, just to kind of show you guys what was going on. Again, hope everybody's doing well. Please like, comment, share the video if you feel it's worthy. I do like talking to everybody, and I do respond to everybody's comments. So please drop something down there and let me know what you think. And to all my new subs, thank you very much for showing up. And to all my long-term subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. You have made this community a fun place to be, and I do appreciate you all. So I will talk to you real soon. Everybody have a wonderful week. Bye.